Unong ai jingmut jong katanat Pule Puthi iba HM Shangpliang ne kesngi ilo ong baka Sorkar ka Thmu ban Pyntreikam no ya ka National Education Policy wat ya ki Kyrdan Pule Secondary but Higher Secondary ru. Habakren sya kilat pathai kubor iba Shangpliang ilo ong ba kilat dap bantau ya ka Education Commission but ki don ru sa ki wede ki committee ki bala Trekam kum ka Textbook Review Committee. Kat kum ka jing sngo ka jong i ka Textbook Review Committee kan kmi bnia halor ka jing pendrung ya ki syllabus bat ki curriculum ki bathamai da ka ba ong shu ba ki yale ban pendrung ya ki kot NCERT ling ba ka embos. Hakaway pat kaliang ilo ong ba kaladap ban sedang ya ka jing Pyntreikam ya ka NEP haki college bat ba ki college ba per kiladap ban Pyntreikam ya ka de ka policy bathamai. Ilo ong ru ba ka Sorkar kaladap ban penpau syai ya ka jing sngo ka jongka halor ka NEP.
We have constituted the Education Commission. We also have various other committees that are already in the pipeline now. So though we are in the mind of exercising to bring in NCERT books too in the present context of the books through the embos, and therefore this textbook committee will also do such exercise. And while you talk about the new education policy, we understand we are taking baby steps now to start implementing the new policy, and therefore the teachers need to be trained. There is a lot of work to be done, and the preparation have already started.
Unong ai jingmut jong katanat Pule